I'm out here in Coleraine, North Carolina. A tornado came down here on Saturday. 25 tornadoes actually touched down in North Carolina, but this is one of the areas where the tornado hit, and you're seeing some of the devastation of what a tornado can do. You see the trees in the background are all snapped. This tornado went through this area. Unfortunately, people died, and it's very sad. But I wanted to come out here and share my first experience with seeing what a tornado can actually do. There's a house here that looks like it was hit by the tornado. The roof caved in, it's still standing. What you're looking at here is a house, obviously. These people were not so lucky. This house was completely blown away. Only it looks like the bathroom there is still up. I'm going to jump across here, get a closer look. This is absolutely devastating. Look at that. The whole house was just blown away. It looks like the foundation there is all that was left. The tree that was blown over, and the roots are still, the roots are showing. I can't imagine the fear that these people had if they were home when this tornado hit. Absolutely devastating. Absolutely devastating. This is a close-up shot of one of the trees that were split. As you can see, this is a pretty big tree here that was absolutely blown over, and it was split right here. I can only imagine the force that it must have taken to split a tree in this fashion. This is the other side of the house here that was absolutely blasted by the storm. As you can see, the foundation, some of the foundation is the only thing that's left. There's a kitchen. All the walls on this place was absolutely taken down. Here's what you're looking at here is the roots of a tree that was absolutely blown over. As you can see it right here, if you can see it, you're looking at the roots of a very old tree that was blown over. The wind that blew this over had to be absolutely just forceful. Here's the actual tree itself. As you can see, it's a pretty big tree there. I just spoke to one of the family members of this house here. The whole house was blown away. Her sister, her mother, and her husband were in the house, unfortunately, when the tornado hit, and she lost all three of them on Saturday. As you can see, the whole house was blown away. The whole house was blown away, and all that's left is the foundation. May God have mercy on them. Again, you're seeing some of the devastation of the storm in the background here.
Today,
Giannis, please don't talk loud. She lost her family, okay? Yes. Yeah, the tornado came through here.
how come it stopped here?
It just landed here, Papa. It landed here. It landed here, and what you see is the devastation of a very powerful wind.
I'm kind of close to good.
Yeah, very close. Too close.
Yeah, I did.
Well, I just wanted to share with anyone who wants to see the devastation of a tornado and my first experience of what a tornado can do. Unfortunately, people died here, and it's going to make me real conscious, and hopefully my family and I will be better prepared. And sometimes you can't be prepared for these things.